Madam President, sabi po niyo, nag-imbestiga po kayo, di po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Meron po bang resulta yung investigasyon ninyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And what would be the finding?
The finding was the person appearing as a teacher in the video political campaign is not a bona fide employee of SNSU.
Hindi rin po
Rather,
estudyante
Mr. Chair,
yung dalawa.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Rather, a teaching staff of a certain school. Thus, SNSU officials and employees, Mr. Chair, and honorable members of the committee, and not directly or indirectly involved in any partisan political activity.
Madam President, pakisagot lang po yung aking katanungan. Masyado na pa kayong defensive eh. Bilang isang investigador, ako'y nagdududa. Masyado ko ng defensive. Hindi ko naman yun ang tinatanong ko eh. Ang tinatanong ko lang po sa inyo ay kung meron na po kayong findings. Kasi hindi nyo sinagot kanina yung mga katanungan ni Honorable Burrs. Number one, dininay nyo kanina na yung classroom at saka campus na ginamit, hindi po sa SNSU. Tama po ba yung pagkarinig ko?
Yung classroom po, Mr. Chair, is hindi.
Hindi po.
Hindi po sa...
How would you know that it is not a classroom of SNSU? Is it a...
If we will be able to prove that that incident happened inside the perimeter of your campus.
Mr. Chair, I would like to request respectfully that the result of the investigation will be furnished to the Board of Regents for deliberation and discussions.
Pakiulit po yun. Hindi po namin nakuha ng buong-buo yung sinabi po ninyo.
On May 29, actually, Mr. Chair, this was presented to the Board of Regents.
Yeah. Hindi naman po yung board ang tinatanong ko. Tinatanong ko po kayo bilang SNSU President. And you should be aware of all these things bilang Presidente ng SNSU. Di po ba? It's part of your jurisdiction that you should know everything that happens within your campus.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At
Yes.
tanong ni Congressman Acop kanina, if that incident happened inside the campus, including the classroom scene.
Hindi po ang classroom.
Ano po?
Mr. Chair. Hindi po yung classroom, Mr. Chair.
Second, yun po mga actors or actresses na nandun po sa present ni Honorable Barbers, hindi po taga SNSU?
Mr. Chair.
Was that also discovered in your investigation? Hindi ba dapat very critical yun sa inyong investigasyon?
Based on the investigation, Mr. Chair, that 7 out of 10 students personally and voluntarily participated in the video political campaign.
So in other words, ang sagot po nyo dun sa aking katanungan, estudyante po ng SNSU, yung mga nag-participate doon. Yes or no?
Some po. Hindi lahat.
Sige, some. Ilan ba yung estudyante na pinag-uusapan po natin?
7 out of 10, Mr. Chair.
7 out of 10. Mas maraming estudyante ng SNSU. At doon sa investigation report, yung 3, hindi nyo po alam kung saan nanggaling. Yun po ba ang ibig nyo sabihin?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And
Next question, Madam President. May prinisinta po rin si the Honorable Barbers na affair or event sa isang gymnasium. Yung gymnasium ba na yun hindi gymnasium ng SNSU?
Mr. Chair,
Simpleng-simple lang po yung tanong ko, Madam President. Doktor po ang nakalagay dyan sa inyong titulo dyan. Pakisagot lang po yung aking tanong. Otherwise, I will move to cite you in contempt.
It was on the candidates forum, Mr. Chair.
I beg your pardon?
Candidates forum, where the...
Gymnasium ba ng SNSU yun? Yun po ang aking katanungan.
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
simpleng-simple lang
For
po yung aking
candidates
katanungan. And I do not know why a doctor of philosophy cannot answer a simple question. This is an investigation in aid of legislation. And you should answer questions directly, Madam President. Di po ba? So in other words, lahat po ng sinyales ay nagamit po yung inyong campus. Would you agree with that, Madam President? Nandun yung estudyante, nandun yung gymnasium ninyo. If it quacks like a duck, it is a duck. Madam President.
Mr. Chair, I think I have to verify first because based on my knowledge, the university gym was used for the candidates forum where it was being hosted by agencies and the Commission on Election, not for promotional video.
Madam President, yung pong katanungan ko po hindi na, yung sagot po ninyo, hindi naman po yung kasama doon sa katanungan ko Simpleng-simple lang po yung tanong ko. Yung bang gymnasium na prinisinta dito kanina ni Honorable Barder, na merong event, gymnasium ba ng SNSU? And all of these informations should have been contained in the investigation report conducted by the people you have directed to conduct the investigation. In other words, I can call their investigation very, very sloppy, Madam President. And if you're satisfied with that investigation, I'm sorry. Hindi po ako naniniwala po sa inyo. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. If I may, with the indulgence of the Honorable Ace Barbers. Madam Chair, tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko na 7 out of 10 students participated in this TV ads or in this political ads?
Based on the result, yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And based on what you said a while ago, some of the scenes, if not all, were shot inside the vicinity or inside the campus.
No, Mr. Chair.
So, are you telling us na yung 7 estudyante inilabas pa from the school?
Mr. Chair, hindi po yun sa classroom ng SNSU vicinity.
Kaya nga po. So, hindi lang naman po yung scene sa classroom. Di ba, meron din ng mga scene sa labas, meron din. Yung may nagsasalita po doon Ang background niya yung mismong entrance ng eskwelahan. Hindi rin po ba yun sa campus? Gumawa rin sila ng artificial na pinto or ng gate?
Sa labas ng campus.
Okay. Now, my question is, hindi po ba sila humingi ng permit sa inyo?
Not that I know of, Mr. Chair.
Kumuha ng estudyante ninyo, nag-shoot sa labas ng campus ninyo, and yet, kahit na isa, walang permit. Hindi po ba kayo nagalit dahil 7 estudyante ninyo nagamit sa political ads, pati yung mismong eskwelahan ninyo? I mean, that is the common reaction pag wala kang kinalaman.
That's why...
Siyempre, as president, what if yung estudyante nagagamit?
That's why, Mr. Chair, we really have conducted a thorough investigation on the same. We cannot do otherwise because we are not sure whether or not they are our students.
So, you're saying na talaga totally wala po kayong alam?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
All right.